Want to bridge the gap between your Apple Pay balance and the world of crypto on Binance? Let's explore if and how you can make this transfer happen. First, understand that Apple Pay is designed primarily for direct payments to merchants and doesn't directly support cryptocurrency transfers to exchanges like Binance. There isn't a one-click solution. Binance, on the other hand, accepts crypto deposits but doesn't directly integrate with Apple Pay for funding your account. Here's a workaround involving a debit card linked to your Apple Pay. If your Apple Pay has a debit card linked, you can use that debit card directly on Binance to purchase crypto. Navigate to the Buy Crypto section on Binance, choose your desired cryptocurrency, and select the debit card payment option. Enter your card details, which are linked to your Apple Pay, and complete the transaction. Another method is using intermediary platforms like Cash App. Some allow you to add funds from Apple Pay and then send money to Binance via Bitcoin. Cash App could work if they offer you to purchase Bitcoin with your Apple Pay balance. Send your BTC to your Binance address, and then convert it into other cryptocurrencies. Double-check all details before confirming the transaction to ensure the funds are transferred to the correct Binance address. With these methods, you can effectively use your Apple Pay balance to dive into the crypto world with Binance.